Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for you. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for your internet experience? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch that instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed online. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what you do. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for you. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for you because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data's wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of trackers or scams, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect securely with friends for all your online stuff. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can run it on your PC, phone, tablet, and more all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so anyone tech savvy can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise. It's been put to the test. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their gear, which means a more stable internet connection for you. And for anyone dealing with slow or laggy connections, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for better speed. This can help route your traffic for a potential boost, but keep in mind you might be sacrificing a layer of encryption for that faster connection. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for you? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means smoother browsing, streaming, and downloading. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but our tests found performance can vary, with speeds that fluctuate depending on the server you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed is your top priority, you want the best all-around VPN with the most features, or you want extra protection like ad and threat blocking. Go with IPVanish if you have a ton of devices or a whole household to cover. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-conscious user who needs evidence to back up claims. Its open-source apps and proven no-logs record are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for you. See you soon.